Welcome to the realm of Microsoft Excel, where data isn't just numbers, but the language of success. Master the art of formatting and learn the intricacies of printing workbooks, making your data not just analyzable, but presentable too. Bring your data to life. This CPD certified course focuses on visualizing data with charts and using pivotables and pivot charts. You will learn the skill to tell compelling stories through your data. Learn to perform complex calculations with ease and modify worksheets for enhanced readability and effectiveness. Take control of your workbooks. Explore a wide range of functions that make data management a breeze. Our course is a treasure trove of Excel knowledge, tailored just for you. Join us on this journey and become the Excel expert you aspire to be.